Hey there. So for today, I'm gonna work on the content for part 19. If you don't already know that, just give me a moment. Let me turn down the music a little loud. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna be covering the part 19 content. I'm gonna spend probably 2 hours to touch up the content a little bit because the article seems to have some issues. Let me just clear my screen. So the article seems to have some issues. So that's the first thing I'm gonna look at. So I've gotten Kok Tong is my editor. He's the one who prepares, or rather he used to prepare all the Vampire Survivors videos. He has been conscripted now, so I've got to find a new video editor, but he was the one who was editing the videos and he was the one who was helping me to check the contents of the article, you know, whether you can follow it, how easy it is to follow it, and whether you could run into any errors when you're following. So he's found a few errors. I'm gonna address these errors. I'm gonna add a couple of small new things to the content of part 19 because I want to cover these other things in part 19 as well. So let me show you what they are. So the first thing I want to add up after we fix these errors, of course, is I want to add the label for the level of the weapon, and also whether the weapon is new or not new. And finally, also I want to have a label if the weapon is able to evolve into something else as well. Yeah, so a couple of things, and yeah, so these should be pretty small fixes, and I'm hoping that I can get them done in the first 2 hours, and then for the last 2 hours we do recording for content for part 19, so then we can push out the video next week. So let me just head over to the forums. So we've already had readers who tried out the part, and there are some issues with the part, so let's have a look at that. Checking to see if all my windows are working as well. I think the Visual Studio one is not working very well. Okay. Where is Visual Studio? There we go, here it is. So let's read out the problems with the article first, and then we can move on to adding some small extra things to the article, and we can round it off with adding some minor new things to the upgrade window. So few errors after implementing section 4. Okay, let me just log in to the site. And then we can start with the post. There we go. Stats. Where is section 4? Section 4. Play in through. So after implementing section 4, play inventory and okay. Okay, it seems like it's just some pretty small typo issue. Updates. Right. Yes. Okay, there we go. So a little typo over here. Got fix. Step. Remove this thing here. And name and description are serialized twice. Name and description is serialized. The first time is an item, right? Name and the description not needed anymore. After I fill up all weapon slots, I still get options. Still get options for new weapons. This is strange. Once I level up a weapon to its max level, I get options beyond its max level. For example, level 6 duplicator when the max level is 5. How does that make sense? Okay, we're just gonna modify the upgrade thing here to accommodate, or maybe let me just run through the whole thing. What should I do? Okay, let's just weed out all the bugs first. I think that would be a good idea. And then after that, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to play the game once to get it through all the way from start to finish. And then we'll see how everything turns out. So let's just test the game a little bit. And just, you know, get a bunch of weapons and stuff. So hopefully we should be not getting any more weapons, right? After we get all the slots filled up. That's one thing. Let's just fill up all our weapon slots first before we get messy. Over. garlic, the last one. So are we still able to get more weapons? Shouldn't be able to get more weapons, right? It's not showing up anymore. Armor. Tractor. Let's increase the traction radius. So it's all 6 items now. I should be only getting level ups now. Shouldn't be getting anything else. Hollow heart. Oh, I still get new things. That's annoying. Thought I shouldn't be getting any more new items. Strange. Let me just max out everything and we'll see what it leaves us. So we gotta fix this thing first where new items still appear when they shouldn't. See, new passives here but new weapons don't appear. I guess that's a plus, right? New weapons don't appear, just the passives appear. And I always get 4 weapons. So let's fix a couple of things over here. First is I think my luck formula is off because I shouldn't be getting weapons. 4 weapons I mean. I shouldn't be getting 4 weapons when I'm leveling up. So let's have a look at the play inventory and see where the luck formula is off. Random. So it's greater than here. Formula is wrong. Okay, now I think everything is alright. Luck thing is working properly now. So if I have no luck, I shouldn't be getting 4 weapons, only 3, right? Candelabra. Tractor. Armor. Armor should prevent me from taking them from certain. Wait. Okay, now that I have luck, I should be getting 4 options. Luck formula was wrong. Duplicator gives me extra for the cost, right? Fire 1. Get the garlic. And more garlic. Oh, why is the text showing up here? Because right? Problem with our script. It's not hiding toolkit. So let's modify the post. The luck formula is the first thing we want to change. should be this, right? The other direction. Why is it split into two parts here? There we go. And so that's the first thing, it fixes the large issue. Second thing is the text showing up at the bottom. Yeah, the tooltip shouldn't be showing up. If I have 4 items appearing. But anyway, let's work on that later. Let's just check, see whether we are able to get any more new items. No more new items here. No more new items. No more new items. It seems like fixing the luck formula also fixed the weapons. Because now I have all the weapons and no more new weapons seem to show up. I just gotta level everything up. So powerful now, right? The fire one and all the axes and stuff. It's a little ridiculous. Even the knives are pretty powerful. Okay. Oh, now I get new passives when they shouldn't be happening. And I'm having a little bit of trouble leveling up as well. Level 33 already. Max everything up. Garlic level 6. The garlic's pretty small for a weapon at high level. Well, but I can't get it. So we gotta fix the issue with the passives still reappearing. Let's just max everything out and we'll see how the level up stuff works as well. Lightning ring, level 5. Duplicate. So I have a lot of projectiles as well because, you know, I've got duplicators and stuff, right? And the umbrella. Garlic level 8. I think I can evolve my garlic as well. Just by getting the chest over here. It evolves. Does it evolve my... or doesn't... Mandelbrot, Pomerola. Can't get the only the passives are showing up. It's just probably a code with the inventory manager really. Maybe I should fix that first. The stuff with the passives. So weapon slots left. Let's just print out weapon slots. Left. And passive slots. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Passive slots left 4, weapon slots left 4. How many slots do I have left? 1 passive slot and 2 weapon slots. Let's just fill up the passive slot and then we can see how this works. Why is it that we are still getting passive weapons sometimes when we run out of slots? So okay, now we're not getting any more passives. It's fine. Passives, no passives at the moment. No passives again. I think the luck formula probably is a little wonky as well, huh? Because once I get one luck formula, it seems like I always get bored. See that? It's not supposed to happen. But let's take things one at a time. So now we've got this thing is not working. Somewhere in the code, something is wrong. Okay, let's filters through the available weapons and passives, and looking at this section over here that determines what's possible and all possible upgrades. So the counting of the slots is correct. It's my logic over here that perhaps it's not. So I guess we gotta document everything here then to see what's going on. Let me just add some logging. Because weapons and passives that are not supposed to be inside are still getting added inside. So I've got to find out why that's the case. So add that. Name. Great. Great. This is great. Okay, so let's run through this section again. I want to weed out all the bugs before we roll out part 19 video so that I don't have to do another part on this series just to fix bugs over here. I want to, get it done and get it over with. Amarola. Okay, let's look at this thing. Sign. So all of these are possible upgrades. Garlic, knife. Everything should be fine. We've got to add more items before we can see what's going on here. Let's do that. So I've maxed out my passives, so passives should no longer appear as a possible upgrade option. So let's have a look here and see whether that's the case. Garlic knife X possible, fire 1 lightning ring is possible, whip is possible, spinach is possible, Pomerola is possible. Oh, it's not a new one though. Wings. Why did wings appear here? New. Oh, existing. It's a possible new. Let's rerun this. Duplicator, always useful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've got 18 weapons in the game, right? Available weapons is 6. Available passives. How many is that? It's 5 and 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Right? Sorry, 12 plus 6 is 18. So they're 18. But then when I max out my slots, right, there shouldn't be any more possible upgrades. So let's see if that's the case. Yeah. So I'm just testing out the stuff, right? So no more passive slots, so the passives shouldn't be appearing. So let's see if it's still appearing. Lightning Ring is a new. Garlic is existing. Knife is new. Axe is existing. Fire Wand is existing. Ring is fine. There should be no passive that appears as an existing, as a new passive. So everything should be just existing. There's only one new thing. Knife is a new thing. I have 6 weapons, right? It's always gonna be the same 6. So maybe that's why the weapon's not appearing. And either way, there's some logic fail here. I've got to find. Level again. And what's going on here? Let's see. So we have knife is a new upgrade, everything else is existing. So now it's properly filtering out, but then there are some cases where we are still shown new weapons despite having everything maxed out. That has to be fixed. Gotta do something about that. So like for example here, right? Why is the bracer inside? The bracer shouldn't be inside. Knife is a new upgrade. So the bracer is not inside, but then it's showing up. Why is the bracer showing up here? Not even in the upgrade list, right? So what do we have here? Everything is an existing upgrade. I guess I'm gonna have to add a new weapon here to see whether it still shows up. Let me just add a soul eater inside here as well. Everything is just existing stuff. See, now everything is working fine. But why did the bracer show up? It doesn't make sense. Now the Candelabra shows up. Maybe it's a code thing. All possible upgrades, available upgrades here. Oh, silly me. I found the issue. So the issue is that I've used the wrong variable here. It should be available upgrades, not all possible upgrades. So there we go. That's the issue. It's nothing to do with the logic here. Logic here is fine, which is great to see. I just set the wrong variable over here. It's just so silly, right? Sometimes the errors that you make, it's just the smallest errors and they're so hard to find sometimes. So this should be available upgrades. And where are the available upgrades here? So available upgrades here. Available upgrades. And I've got to hide the chance to get 4 items thing here. Let's go back to the upgrade window script. And probably there is something that I want to change. So let me see. I want to get the UI script, right? The upgrade window. And I want to turn off the tooltip when tooltip is not active. So if the tooltip is why is it not turning off by itself? Because it should be now, right? Okay, let's run this again. I guess after we are done fixing all the bugs, we have to run through the entire game once again, see what's wrong. Increases luck by 10%. Let's just keep getting a clover so that we have a chance to get 4 items. I think I'm dying as well. I need some items. So you see the text always shows up and it shouldn't be showing up because it's being hidden, right? So why is it even showing up over here? See, because the game object should be hidden, but still showing up. So the screens, level up screen, upgrade options folder. Tooltip here doesn't make sense that it's showing up. You know, because it's supposed to be just hidden, right? There are 4 items. So these little bugs, it doesn't make sense, you know. It's so annoying to try and get them to work sometimes. So now I'm not spawning 4 items at all. It's always 3 items. What is this? Wait, it's not. I can't get any items. Like the 4th item. There we go. So now it probably hides. Does it make sense? Just now it didn't hide the text, but now it's hiding the text now. I guess that works. See, now it doesn't hide text because over here it says true, but the text is not hidden. Why is that the case? Okay. Maybe it has to do with the recalculate layout function, huh? What if I disable this thing here? Is it Well, these bugs are a little annoying to weed out because it's so inconsistent, right? And I can't tell what's wrong with it. It's, we are spending so much time bug fixing and, it's not really moving us forward, I think. Let me just jack up the luck stat so that I can get more items. Let's max out the luck. Some ridiculous value. Still giving me 3 items though. So now I have, I have 4 items. And the text appears again. And here it says true. This says true. I guess one thing to ensure this would be if I were to just set this rotate here and frame it. Then this shortens the code, right? And I think it makes it more reliably on or off. Then we can keep the other thing here, right? That sets the thing as active. I'm not sure why this is set as active. Forgot what I was thinking of when I coded this. But let's try this. I guess this means I have to explain my logic more as well, huh? Not getting any clovers, so I can't get extra weapons. That's unfortunate. There we go, we have clover now. So we have a little bit of luck. And if luck allows, then we can get extra items when we level up. And hopefully this means that we won't get, after the recode, we won't get any extra items when we don't want to. I mean, when we get extra items, we won't show the text, I mean. See? It's right there again. This is so ridiculous. What's going on here? We have 4 items. Then how is it that we have text over here? That means that probably something is wrong here. That is causing the so how can we get 4 items and then a message as well? Because over here we have only 4 and no message, or 3 items with a message, right? Doesn't make sense at all. Come on, give me a clover. Just gonna jack it up. We're getting 4 items and no text, right? Let's see if text appears later. It's definitely gonna appear, then we're gonna figure out why. Like, we're getting 4 items, and then we're getting 3 items, right? So then why do we have the text over here? So we're getting 3 items again, and then the text appears again, and then the 4 items appear. What the hell is going on? Are we calling setup grades somewhere else? So I think the problem might be here because, you know, it's showing 4 items, even though we have max options here is 4, and active options here 0. Why is it showing 4 options? Goodness. Okay, let's just rerun this. This is so frustrating. Gosh. And the music stopped, seems. Maybe that's why the mode is so heavy now. Let's restart the music. 4 items, and then just have 3 items. Pick here is 3, right? And then come here 4 items. Right? It makes sense, bro. I think I found the issue. The issue is possible periods. Okay, found the issue. This is supposed to be pick, right? There we go. So the rest of the code is fine. It's just small errors like these that are causing the issue. I don't think this should happen again. So we have 3 items. What happens when we get 4? Let's just check out the luck. Try this. Oh my god, why is it still... I have 3 items here and then I'm getting 4 items again. I thought we updated this value already. Okay. Okay, let's try this then. Class. So I guess the problem is that the window is, there are a couple of logical inconsistencies and stuff with the window. So 3 items. It's fine. Over. what's happening now. So we have 3 items. But this is out of whack. What's going on now? Gosh. Now we have 4 items, it's fine. So we're level 5. So I guess I also have to redo the layout every time. But it's already recalculated, I think. Let's try this again. A couple of math issues I have. Which I hope the modifications will fix. Get lots of clovers until we get 4 items, and then we can see whether the layout breaks or not. But it seems like I'm not getting 4 items at all. That's fine. I have level 3 clover already, and I'm still going to 4. Okay, now I've got 4 items. Let's see if it reverts to 3 properly. Let's hope that if I finally got it. Go over here. So I'm waiting to get 4 items. Then let's see if the layout breaks. So we have 4 items now, and if we go back to 3 items, let's see if the layout shouldn't break. Trust that doesn't break. Finally got. Oh god, finally got it. Okay, so I've got to document all the bug fixes. And then I've got to do one more test, right? Just to run through the whole thing and get all the passives and all that stuff, and then we see whether the whole thing still runs. Let's see. Where do I start? Let us start by just modifying the blog post. Why is this set? This should be one whole piece, right? And what did I change again? Change this section, right? And I also changed. Oh, this one is unnecessary too. But we can optimize this, it's fine. Yeah, this works better. So we can actually just revert the changes here, because all we want with the inventory is to where is the inventory then? All we want is to make sure this is experience bug rates. And under UI upgrade window, we want just to add a couple of things. Let me just add to the topic. See, I'm a little annoyed with all the little bugs we have to deal with. It's well, what can I say? It's annoying, right? one changes after so time.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So let's go. And this is supposed to be this. Less than correct. This all great. Also, an issue with UI operator. Then I always That's really the only part that's changed. Active options here as well. So I think this is good progress. So I think we just gotta make the upgrade, even though not here if we have no more weapons left as well. We have to look into this as well, right? Once I level a weapon to its max level, I get options beyond its max. And Soul Eater is not showing as well. Should I add it in? Oh, okay, it's not adding it. Garlic, how do we do it more? So it's evolution data, Soul Eater. Well, it's below 5. Okay, got update. So the UI update window. This part here replaces this part. Oh man, what's going on here? well, I also wanted to upgrade the window a little bit, so that it shows the level, or it shows a new keyword. So what I'm trying to say here is that I want also under upgrade option here to show the level somewhere else. And the level can be shown actually on the top right corner over here. So, but that means that we'll have to reduce the size in the name. So something like this. So we probably have to reduce this to say 0.48. Yeah. So then when I do that, I'm able to also, let's duplicate this level. So this allows me to move this here, 0.8 to 1. And I can reduce the font size, say 12. And this tells me the level, right? Makes sense. So this can say it's something like new, or it can say like level 1, level 2, and all that stuff. I'll take here. So you also want to make sure that overflow over here allows us to, text is too big anyway, this allows the thing to remain here. So font size is 12, okay. So this text here will tell us what level it is, like whether it's level 1 or whatever. I'm just thinking about how to lay this out. 5. Do this, then level 1 will be here. Then where do we put the weapon evolution? You can put the evolution at below the image. I think putting it below the image is a good idea, right? Because then we can, firstly we can add some kind of so like the border over here, 10, 10. And we can border it the same way here. And do that. So this border is distinct. What happens when I put a border here? And if I don't put a border, then it loses into how much now? When I put a border here, it goes like this. If I put a border here, it's 10 and 10. Then the height doesn't really affect things. Let's do that. Because the icon needs a border as well. The icon has a border, and this border beginning the border. Okay, there we go. I think that works. Adjust the height. Okay, what else? Seems to be quite a lot of space inside. So I want to put a weapon evolution at the bottom here. So, you know, I can drop an icon of a possible evolution if it's there. But if I put a weapon evolution at the bottom, I'll need some more border at the bottom, right? So like say something like this, you know, for it to work. Either that or, you know, I'll just have to partition a little for it bottom so it's like 1, 2. So if I leave a little space at bottom for it, I can afford to still more or less be safe. Something like this, and space at the bottom, and I can put like a text. So level is here, and then this will be revolution is 0, 2, 8, sorry, 0 to 2. Where the text will be. I guess we gotta center align this, right? I think I got an idea. I can leave the level at the bottom. So this will be level. And then the evolution will be here. That's perfect. So evolution can be evolve and something. So this can be center line, or it can be left line. Let me just see how the UI looks like, because I don't quite remember how it looks like. Because it tells you what evolution you get. Like when you level up and you get a new weapon, it tells you what evolution you get. think I see something here. Oh no. What is the evolution thing? So is it new and it says before something, right? There we go. So we can put the level here. Then we can put an evolution text somewhere else as well. This evolution thing is a little more complicated than I thought it was. We have a whole bunch of things, right? Plus, you know, a weapon can evolve multiple other weapons as well. So we gotta get a system where oh, Okay, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea for a while so that I can also just walk around and give it a thought as to how I'm gonna implement this. We'll start with the evolution section. I'll be back in 10 minutes and then we'll continue this. Hopefully we can finish this within the next hour, then I can. Oh, it looks like I can't do the recording today. I probably have to do it in another stream like on Saturday or something. So yeah, we'll be back in 10 minutes.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad Ugino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
So I come up with something. I am going to just remove the component over here, and this is going to be a list of all the items that will evolve from this upgrade, which means that we will be putting a horizontal layout, so this would be horizontal layout group. Alignment will be middle right. Then all we gotta do here is just to add a bunch of images, and then this will get everything. So just do anything. Correct. On it, correct. Say 10 by 10 or something. What's going on here is that if I have multiple images, it's going to show me all the images like that, because it's possible for a weapon to evolve multiple other weapons, right? Which means I'll need to have multiple images. I can't just have one. Because in our weapon data as well, you know, you can see that there are multiple things that a weapon is capable of evolving. Like for example, let's look at Vampire Survivors. It gets difficult, right, when we're trying to make something as flexible as possible. Let's look at Magic Wand. Do they all only have one evolution? Gold ring, silver ring, granite corridor. What's Dental Station?
Ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez.
I've got an idea. I think I'm gonna implement the evolution thing in the next part. The reason for that is because the next part is going to involve creating a reusable item display module. And then if we do that here, then you know, and we do that there again, I don't think it makes a lot of sense. So let's hold off for that first. And we'll just restore this back to length of 1. And then of course you have top of 10 and right of. Okay, so let's just put the level at the bottom here. Then we'll put the evolves here later on. So then if we have the level here, then we just gotta add one more upgrade option here. And then later, of course, we're gonna expand upon this in the next part. And this extra thing is going to be the level text. So what I'm gonna do as well is to introduce a couple of variables. So this here is either gonna say new in yellow, or it's just gonna say level new. So we will have to assign or we can just save the original color. So let's create a new section here called path. So the level path is just going to show the let's see. So we have this. Color. That means that we can modify this part here. So it's just not gonna show the level anymore. It's gonna show. It's gonna check whether the level text is here. Level text, yeah.
We go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think now the levels should show up. Now when I level up my weapons. So now I have the new text over here. Then when I select it, so it's level 2, and then you have the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna remove the level 2 over here because it serves no purpose anymore. So where is that? I'm gonna remove this one. Set. Okay, I should be ready to begin recording very soon. Let's just read out a couple more parts. I also want a candelabra shouldn't be using this icon. Let me just change the icon of that. Let's use this. Do something else. Candelabra. What should I? Let's. Can't find a super icon. Let's use this one. Whatever it is. So that labels everything properly as you want. Armor is always important. Try and level as fast as possible. Everything. Nice. One more. The weapons are becoming really powerful now. Different weapons. Everything seems to be working bug free now, which is fantastic. And I think the bats are not able to deal damage to me anymore. Because my armor is pretty high. gotta max out my level now, which is good. I guess this is the part that is tough. Just gotta find a lot of enemies and start killing them all. Finding the gems to collect so I can level up faster. Oh, why am I moving so fast? There'll be a typo on one of the wings values. Over here. Oh. Lightning ring. Running out of enemies. Okay. We're almost there. I think we're almost there. Well, thanks to how easy it is to level up in this game. Just spawn more enemies, right? And it's much easier for me to level up. I won't have to play 6 minutes of this to level everything up. Test whether everything works fine. And I've got a feeling that it doesn't entirely work. Let's now that I have things at the max level, right? Let's just pay attention to this here. See if it continues to give us level ups. So garlic is level 7. Hollow hearts. Whatever level it is. So, running out of anything. I don't think we got to the level that we wanted. Let me just increase the number of enemies that respawn on the enemy spawner. Let's see. Then that way. Duration. spawn like much more base so that we can level up faster and then we can test everything. That's more like it, right? Look at that. A lot more bets. So those of you who are wondering whether this game can handle many enemies, I guess your question's answered. So we've got a couple of questions on like the forums and stuff asking if this game can handle many enemies on the screen. You can see here, no problem. The part that's slowing everything down is actually the, when we level up, we've got to select the weapon skin. Looks like the main thing is holding us back. Hi friend, I'm sorry I just saw your message. Thanks for popping in. I was supposed to record content today, but then, because I was fixing some bugs, so until now I haven't recorded anything. So just want to iron out all the bugs in this part first before I publish it, so that we don't have to come back and, issue a, okay, this is how you fix this bug and all that stuff. Everything is so much faster now because we have so many enemies. Why do we have so many spellbinders though? I have 2 spellbinders. What's going on here? So when the maximum level is reached, probably just because it doesn't update the interface anymore. Right? Let's run through this again and we'll see. And get a sensing of what's going on. think once we finish upgrading everything, then because there are no more options for us for the program to select from, right? So then it just starts to not replace the options. Phi 1 37 now. Plus 5, Phi 1 is 8. X, 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 8 now. So after X goes to 8, there is no longer an option for us. That's line 58 in the UI upgrade window, which is right here. So select from one of possible upgrades. Must be non-negative. Less than the side. What's the possible upgrades here? Let's try this again. Just randomly selecting options here, just to get everything up to the maximum level. I think we're getting there. Everything is level 8 now. Okay, now everything is working great. And looks like we've run out of weapons to select. Oh, still have bracer. Huh, why do we have bracer now? So if there are no possible upgrades, why did bracer not appear as an option just now? Let's see if you can show the level of the can show the level. My items. How do I show the level of items? Inventory slots, weapons, show levels, and show levels here as well. It's not showing levels. And oh, text. Same here. Should be text. Okay, so let's look at the levels of our weapons and stuff. So the whip is level 1. Then as I level it, it should show the levels as well of everything. So we are running out of options, right? Because there's no more weapons for us. So, garlic. Almost everything is level. So we have Spellbinder with a couple of items that are not fully leveled yet, but they're not all shown. Weight level is not level 8 yet. Not updating. Why does it say level 6 here? It's level 8, right? Fire 1 is level 5. Well, the slot is not updating. Okay. So everything is maxed out, except for... Why is the knife only level 2? Spellbinder. Garlic. X is level 4. So we have a whole bunch of weapons that are not fully leveled yet, but not showing up. Curiously enough. Let me just remove this message in here because it's so annoying. Shouldn't be here. I don't know why the level thing is not showing. Gonna have to have a look at that again. Gotta give me a moment. I've gotta what do I have to do? I have to check the available upgrades, right? So every time I level up, I want to see what the list of labor upgrades are. This doesn't show my labor upgrade, but we'll do. Garlic goes away now. Do I have upgrades now? Amarola. Still have quite a few upgrades I can apply, right? Whip. Duplicator. So whip should go away now. This is level 8. So it's maximum level now. Lightning ring. Let's get it all the way to maximum level. Duplicator is maximum level now. So here I have spinach, lightning ring, and fire one. Even though I have other options as well, Doesn't seem like it's appearing. Why are they not appearing in my options? This is super random. I'm missing some condition here. It's really frustrating. So this removes lightning ring, and now I have let's get camera over there. So I have 4 items, right? It's the X, Fire 1, Spinach, and Armor. But I'm only getting 2. I don't understand why. Things. Does it have to do? Hope I can recompile the script and then it shows me just updates accordingly. No, it doesn't. It's broken. How to replay the whole thing? Once again. Oh my god. Whole bunch of enemies just died, you see that? The lightning ring is so strong. I'm gonna spend my whole life bug testing this whole thing, you know. So much more what I expected. Bug testing. So I think we're at a point where we are running out of weapons, right? So we fire one candidate for the wings. True. Folks. I think I see the issue then. The issue is that remove possible breaks. I think this solves the problem. Let's have a look at this. And then I guess I can move on to editing the article. Then we can perhaps we can actually record some content for the next stream. Now I don't think that there will be missing options anymore. Since the UI here doesn't always update properly, I guess properly. Otherwise, I just work fine. So now we're running out of great. Now we're running out of options to choose from. Otherwise, you know. Okay. So let's update the forum topic as well. Also upgrades. Okay, so what we changed? Why is this outside? Let me update this. Let me update this as well. Heck. Oh yeah. Now I've got to also implement something that will make it so that if there's less than let's remove this part, not do that anymore. So you get extra items, but only if they're more than 3 items. No test even. Gosh, this is so tough. Test. So what I want to do now is I want to make sure the tooltip doesn't show. If I want to make the tooltip not show if we have a certain amount of writing. I'm sorry, I explain everything better when we are going through the content because I'm trying to think through several things in my head at once. So my thoughts are not exactly organized. Look how fast 5-1 is doing. It's crazy. Huh? I thought I had so many options just now and it just all disappeared. What's going on? Can't figure this out. So many moving parts here. What else is on level 8? Wait. We left to wait. Duplicator. Lightning ring. Tractor. Wings. Guardian. So there's still quite a few weapons that not maxed out yet. Garlic. So what are the weapons in there? Whip. Sorry, it's all maxed out. So a mech duplicator, lightning ring, tractor, wings. So let me just max out duplicator next, and you'll see what. So now I have 3 weapons. So let's max out lightning ring next. And I should have 2 left. I think it's working fine now. Tractor. Wings. So what I'm gonna do next is let me just fix up the wings. I think one of the growth data is off. Growth speed here should be it's just 0.1, right? It's not 1. So increase the motion time. Hold on. Wait for time. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna just straight up not open the upgrade window. So what I'm gonna do is just do this. What this does is let me just put this in a variable like that so that you don't have to hold this multiple times. This. Now I gotta replay this whole thing. Gosh. Lot more weapons to go. Wings are maxed up now. How do we go from 4 all the way to 2 options? I had 4 options just now, right? Anyway, 5 and now 6, 7, 8. It's not maxed out. Huh? What? I think I'm gonna need to show the list of upgrades again. How many times have I played this game? Played through this game already. Way too many times. I need some arrow effect weapon. I'm getting no weapons at all now. Arrow. I think I'm gonna die. now that everything is maxed out, the levels just keep increasing, but then no more level upstream from there. I think we can go all the way up to level, we can go up as high as we want. Oh, finally, I think I've got it fixed. Everything is working great now. Look at the number of knives that are appearing. Look at it. So what are the changes here? Let me just document it down. Forum posts. Another issue for this. Go up Windows. So the code here is the exact same, but there is this extra section where we are checking what it got big. Following conditions and deliver. I think I'm gonna end the stream now and gonna give myself a short break, but after this I'm gonna have to update the article with all the issues I've documented here tonight. So you can expect the part 19 article to be updated tonight. Let me just turn down music. So thanks for joining into the stream here. I'm gonna wrap up the stream for now. It's been not a very smooth stream today for the reason that a lot of time was spent fixing bugs instead of I was planning to record content for today. So these are small bugs, you know, there were not many changes like in the code. It's just a couple of small changes, logical changes, you know, because there's like, for example, logic issues, the UI grid window and all that stuff. So all that's been fixed, and I have to update the article with all the fixes that I've made, and then hopefully I'm planning to do a recording on Saturday. So Saturday probably afternoon, like 12 to 4 or something, I'll do a recording, and just to record the content that I was supposed to record for today, and I thought to spend some time to sort everything out first and probably add some more information to the article tonight. So I'm gonna go give myself a rest now. If I've been streaming for 4 hours and coding for 4 hours as well, and debugging for 4 hours, which is the most demoralizing. Okay, I shouldn't say demoralizing. Actually, debugging is a very necessary skill. It just so happens that when you debug for video game codes, it's usually harder because there's a lot more logic inside. So I'm just gonna wrap up this stream for now, and I will see you all on Saturday. I will make an announcement about the stream soon, and then once Saturday is done, then we should be able to release part 19 at the end of the following week. So that is the plan. So thanks for joining the stream if you've been here, and I will see you all again on Saturday. So thank you very much.